Meow. What's good, everyone? It's me and codingcat. We're gonna be
Hello.
coding a Discord.ts library extension toolkit thing that I definitely did not get an idea from ChatGPT. So we're not gonna go much
Amazing
into it.
intro.
We're gonna get
I
right into it. I'm gonna spam the link to your intro though, specifically intro.
yes,
Just give me a second. We are very organized.
indeed,
We know exactly what we're doing.
very much.
Let me just send it to you. I'm gonna send it to you, just so you're in the stream.
I'm on it already.
I'm gonna send it to Guava. I'm gonna send it to Kasai. I'm gonna send it to Aizen.
Oh no. Oh no. Ethan is gonna be traumatized. I swear. That's. Oh no. This is by the way, non-existent
thumbnail.
viewers. What do you think of the thumbnail?
The
It is
thumbnail.
amazing.
Whoops, I just did a thing.
Well,
Okay,
yes.
let's put the background music.
Also, you know that you're like streaming your entire screen. Is that intentional?
It is. I couldn't be bothered trying to fit. Oh, I thought someone joined the stream, but it was you.
Oh, wait. How do you even know? Oh, because the. Okay, so essentially, the situation is Mass knows TypeScript and wants to make a Discord bot. And
Extension
yes, I'm going
library.
to code it. Yeah, extension library, exactly. And I know Java, and I would say I'm decent at object-oriented programming. Mass hates object-oriented programming, and we're kind of trying to do
Unite.
something together. This is gonna end so well.
Is our memory gonna leak?
It's definitely going to.
Okay.
No, you remember the thing that you did once, right?
No.
With the
Yes.
yeah, you know what
Yeah,
I mean.
the Python incident of 2025.
Oh yeah, no, not even that one. The one where you
Oh.
like opened a specific web page on your server and it just ate up all the memory.
Oh, that incident. Oh, I just got a
Yeah.
message from YouTube. Oh my
So-
god, book subscribed. Thank you so much for the subscribe book finder.
Oh, I know, right? Yeah, guys, you should subscribe. I need to find a way to win a
Subs-
minute.
Hello, Azzy.
Hello, Izzy. Yeah, guys, you should all subscribe.
Where else are you gonna
Just-
find such quality thumbnails?
Yes.
What do you think of that
Yeah,
thumbnail,
but you-
Aizen?
It is amazing. We totally did not make it 5 minutes before the stream. It is indeed very.
It's very
great.
serious as well.
Eisen, we're going to traumatize you today.
Yes.
We're working on a TypeScript project together, and you know what that means. So,
Okay, let's
Oh.
let's get started. I think. You
oh yeah,
know,
do not look into the license file.
Oh yeah, we're not
Just
gonna
do
we're not gonna talk about the license. The license.
We don't.
We don't talk about the license. It's not called
Focus
Discord.ts, it's called DJS-ext. Because that doesn't exist somehow.
Can I force you to look into my license file?
Fine.
Follow participants. No. Never mind. Yeah, so this is our license. Totally real.
Hi, Bug.
This is definitely not made by ChatGPT in any way. You know.
Oh, okay, Aizen, think about it this way, okay? So I'm coding my Discord bots, like my 3 AI generated Discord bots, and I'm like, I do the same thing every single time. Event loaders, command loaders. Imagine if all that is in one extension library.
Yes.
Such an easy win. Okay, so before we get started, I think we need to teach both of ourselves some Discord bot in JavaScript logic.
Alright, yeah, well,
Eisen.
yes, but no.
It already exists, but we didn't make it. It's the difference. You know?
Okay, well,
There is a difference. Okay.
anyways.
So in examples, there's gonna be a folder, and it's gonna be called Discord bot. This is just creating a very meow.
I love how it auto-completes meow if you type in npmi.
Okay, there we go. That's a very basic Discord bot done.
For moderate security vulnerabilities. We're starting out great today. Yes.
Oh, there'll be tons of you in the code. 100%. Okay,
Indeed.
so enter the index.ts file, right? Are you inside the index.ts file? You better be.
Yes.
Okay. Wrong index.ts file.
Except that I'm not, but yes.
Wrong one. Okay, so the way we make a Discord bot in TypeScript is you do very difficult stuff. Right, I need to provide the intents, which is this. We don't need
Yeah,
any
that
intents.
makes sense so far.
There you go. And that's a Discord bot. We're done. Thanks for the stream. Bye bye everyone.
I know, right? Okay, but yeah, no, fair.
Right. This
So I'm
Discord
just
bot
thinking of
does
this.
nothing. Right. So we need to
How do
provide
we-
some intents.
Yes, we do.
Let's do gateway intent bits dot guild. Let's just give it guild permission.
Why would they call it gateway intent bits? Like, yes, that's how Discord stores it, but
Just because they
why would
can.
they? But it's an enum. Why would they call it gateway intent bits?
You can quite
I don't know,
literally.
like,
You can you can just do one. It's the same thing.
Oh, so oh, I see. So it's literally. Oh, okay. Wait, so. It's still an enum. Anyways.
Okay. Now, in this single file, you know what? I'm gonna do a thing. I'm gonna install the env and codingcat. You're gonna create an env file in our example bot.
In the source folder or just in the root folder?
In the source folder. No, well, I already made one outside the
Oh.
source folder. And just put
Oh.
put a Discord bot token in there. Actually, don't put it in yet. I'm gonna do Discord bot token. Let's do bot token.
Okay. So yes, but should we add like an automatic token env parser thing to that library? That may be kind of cool. Like we're including .env here, but the .env functionality could just be part of the library. Also, why are you requiring what? Yeah, no, fair, but I see. Okay. Okay, what should I provide? Wait, how can we even show this on stream? We should have thought of that beforehand, probably. No, but like, how can we show on stream that the bot is spotting on Discord? Well, like, yeah, but if we're doing more complex functionality, they would need to see the actual server, so... Sure, yes, but the question is what bot token should I put in there, because... you know what? Okay, you know what, I don't care, I'm making a bot background channel, I do not care. Wait, where do I put this? I'm gonna put it here. How do we call this? Is the real question. We call it, the memory leaks. Sure. That's a perfect name. There we go. And then I'm gonna... Yes. Oh no. That's like saying hard disk drive. No, like HDD drive. That's like saying that, I swear. Okay, wait. No, that's developers applications. Stream delay. There we go. What is that? Oh yeah, that's C4C. Well, let me just make like another bot that only has access to that one channel.
Okay, so I was muted on stream for like a really long time.
Oh.
There is a keybind. I found the keybind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait,
no.
could you guys hear me all the time, but not him?
Yeah, they can hear you.
Oh, that's... Okay. Well.
Yeah, so I have a keybind, and yeah.
Oh yes. I have found the perfect logo. I don't know what this is or what it's doing on my hard drive, but I found it.
Finish a thing. Client.
It's not gonna be a default installing.
Wait, no, it's not up to Eisen here. Actually, that's up to Eisen.
Oh no.
Okay.
What even is this image? You know what? Sure, I'm just gonna put it as banner. I don't care. What the heck am I even? Okay, no, sure, fair enough. What intent should I give it? Just all of the privileged ones?
Just all of them, because it doesn't matter. It's not. This spot is not gonna be in 100+ guilds.
No, that's fair.
I got a new subscriber. I wonder who it is.
That should do it. I'm gonna reset the token.
Oh, thank you, Khayal Hajiev. Thank you for subscribing.
You should put that like on screen.
I
maybe.
don't know how to. That's a problem for next stream.
Okay, well, sure. Okay, I'm done.
You done? Oh my god, is the bot ready?
I think so. Wait, I don't know what happened to my disk. Oh, that's where it is. Okay, no.
Okay, let's do.
Let me. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the env file. Do not look into the env file from now on.
We can't even run this because okay. Function.
Okay, I have entered the token.
Get safe.
Safe channel. What is safe channel? Get safe channel. What?
It's gonna return a challenge. You know what? I don't even gonna do this.
Oh, I need to add it to the server. Wait a minute. 1 second.
I was gonna make a function, but it just doesn't matter. This is gonna get deleted in like 5 milliseconds.
Wait, I need to add the bot to the server. Actually, I forgot about that. 1 second. Installation. Wait, how do you? Oh, you need to. Oh, so wait, I forgot about that. Bot. And I'm just gonna give it administrator privileges because what could possibly go wrong? The deal. I'm just no. Actually, I'm not gonna give it. What am I? Wait, no, it doesn't need administrator. Actually, never mind. I'm just not gonna give it any default perms. Yeah, okay, we're adding it here. Go to the playground. Yes, it is here. Okay. I'm gonna configure it so it only has access to that channel. Okay, and then just and just gonna give it every permission for the channel. Yes, yes, yes. Sure, you can ping everyone on the channel, I don't care. Okay, wait. What did you... What? Okay, yes. So... Oh yeah, I'm gonna add certified nerd permissions to the channel. Don't ask what that means. Okay. So there we go. We have it done. Isn't it just you? Well, no, that just runs the type. I love how I love your terminal prompt. Sure. You already are using tsub, literally.
Yeah, but not in this environment.
Why? Oh, yeah, no, right. Okay. What?
Oh.
What do you mean access token? What access token? What?
That's not to do with Discord, I don't think. That's just...
No, I know, but like, what?
If I just install the Azure thing, that's really stupid, but... Ooh. Because I'm in the wrong thing.
That shouldn't matter though, should it? What? At least... Yeah, for moderate security vulnerabilities. That seems... Okay.
Oh, it's npm tsub /watch.
Isn't it npx? Because
Oh, it might
that's
be.
the only thing. That's the only thing I do know. I see. There you go.
Yay! Is the bot ready?
Yes, it should be.
No, it didn't send a message. I made it send a message.
I don't know. It's logged in. Well, no, it's not. But like,
I could just like... Okay, I'm doing a stupid thing. I can just compile it. And do node... this /
the thing is, we're building it, but I don't think we're actually running it.
There you go, now it's running.
Okay.
Whoops.
Well, no, it's not. But
Whoops. This... Did you give it permission to send messages?
I did. What do you even mean?
Client ready as it leaks memory. What?
Don't worry about it.
What?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Oh, because it was in the wrong event, that's why.
Are you in the... Oh, wait, are you in the correct channel? Because you need to send the message in the channel, the memory leaks, otherwise you don't have permission.
I did. Yeah.
Did you though? Is it the correct channel ID?
It works now, it was just the wrong event. No, what is
Oh,
this?
no.
Missing access. Did you give the bot everyone permissions?
In that channel, yes. Is that the correct channel?
Oh, no, because you never intends.
Oh, yeah, no, right, that is right.
Guild chan... Is it guild channels?
Should autocomplete. I don't see why it wouldn't.
I'm so happy with that.
Is it just channels? View channels, maybe? No. Messages. Is that even an intent? I don't...
Message content, maybe. That don't matter. Guild messages, maybe.
Oh, yeah, but like... Isn't that just message... Yeah, no.
Usually guild messages and message content.
I think you're right, yeah. Try that.
As you guys can tell, we're very good at this.
I know JDA, but
Oh, I'm not compiling given, so that's even...
they call everything different. You could just make this a one-liner, just do... Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly that. That's good strategy.
No, still gonna send messages, but it's ready. What do you mean client ready as it leaks memory?
Don't worry about it.
Wait! Client that user username leaks is called it leaks memory. Oh, is that what you called the bot? Oh!
Yeah, yes.
Oh!
Yes, that is how the bot is called.
Oh, I thought that was a message from Discord or GS.
Nope. Not yet.
I could just be doing this wrong.
Right.
I am just unsafely typecasting as text channel.
What?
But it is a text channel.
No, that's fine though, because that should be, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do a thing.
What are you doing? Oh, like channel, because technically it should, you wouldn't need to fetch a channel, because I think that, not just like from cache. Oh, yeah. No, because the channel exists. It can find and fetch the channel. That's fine. It just can't send messages. I don't know why that would be. I'm checking the permissions again. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I'm stupid. Am I stupid? Right. Oh my god. Am I stupid? I think I'm stupid. Wait, where is the bot? I'm trying to find the bot. Where is the bot?
How I
Oh,
muted
it's.
again? Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no, I'm stupid. So I made a role for the bot with all the permissions, and then I forgot to assign the bot the role. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Well, anyways.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to have my OBS open 24/7 because I was muted again.
How did you manage to do that? Okay.
I have a keybind and I keep forgetting I have a keybind.
Okay, so now that we actually did that properly, let's try it again, shall we? Yeah, there we go. Look at the channel.
No
show them
way.
the channel. Show them the channel.
No way. It leaks memories. Meow.
I don't know. Look at the. Don't click on the profile. I don't know, man. Don't look at the profile. I just.
I kind of click on the profile.
Look at the profile.
Oh, yeah, I have.
It's. What do you say? That's the only thing that I was able to find.
What does that even mean? Why is it real? Okay.
That's just. No, that. Cadios. Cadios are real.
Oh.
I don't know, man. Okay, anyways.
Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, because we're not making a library yet, we're just going over how to make a Discord bot.
Fair.
What we're gonna do is, we're gonna do an event loader instead of having this event in this file. Do you have any I know how to do it, but do you have any idea how we could do an event loader from a folder?
Kinda, yeah. The thing is just how do we want to structure that? Because I know what you did before.
So let's say we have Discord bot, and then here instead of a Discord bot, we're gonna have...
Okay, hear me out. I have an idea.
Yeah.
I just want you to listen to my idea.
Okay.
Because what you did before, right, is you just had events, and then you had a file, you had like a folder for a different type of event, and then in there you had files that trigger on that event, right? What you could also do is you could structure it in something that I call handlers. So you can have like your own logic structure, however you want, and then it's gonna just in a specific folder load all of the like TypeScript files, and then each TypeScript file can decide to itself listen to a specific set of events instead of, you know.
We can do that.
That just seems more modular, is what I'm saying.
Let's imagine events, my event. Oh yeah, so we don't. Okay, so you're saying it's like let's have a file called my event.ts and a folder called utils and a folder called 6.
Well,
and then a file called test. If both have client ready events, whoops. If both have client ready events, they will both get. Why did it just happen?
Yeah. So actually, let me make like a more realistic example of this. You would have like, so imagine you have like a folder that's like, what would you want to implement in the Discord bot? Let's say you would want to implement like logging, right?
Sure.
Like you want to log events. And then you may have a file that's like, bot, something logging. And then you maybe have like logging.ts, right?
Okay.
Or with bot features logging.ts, for example. And then logging.ts could just listen to all events that are messages get sent, messages get deleted, and all of the logging could be handled in that file. And you don't need a separate file in a folder for each of the separate events. Do you get where I'm coming from?
Not really.
Okay. Well. So what you had before? Let me just delete this real quick. And I was. What do you mean non-empty? Yes, I know the directory is not empty. I want to delete it anyways.
Where are you trying to delete? I don't think you can.
What do you, events.
Oh, the entire folder.
Yeah. Well, okay, sure. So imagine we have like a folder that's just features here for like the Discord bot, right? Why can I create folders but I can't delete them?
Just so don't delete the root folder, I guess.
And then in here you have maybe like logging, right?
Yeah.
And then you have logging.ts. No, not tsx. Why did I type that?
Yeah.
And then in your previous structure to implement logging, what you would have had to do is you would have to create like events. And then maybe events, I don't know, message deleted. I'm just making an example here.
It appears you're not like, it's not updating live.
That's cool because I'm making folders though, so.
Oh. Okay.
And then you have look at events. That's what I'm currently at.
Oh, I miss the events. Yeah.
And then you have message edited. So look at events. See like the subfolder. This is how you did it previously, right? Like.
Yeah.
you get like message edit and then like a message censure like this, right? This is
Yeah.
how you would have done it before. And the thing with this is to implement logging, you would have to have like 3 separate files that literally just send one message, right? Like,
Hmm.
and what you could do with this, with my approach, what you could do is you could have one file in features logging, that is logging.ts, and in here you could like, I don't know, you could listen to different events and have like callbacks for different events. Not exactly sure how that's going to work yet, but like imagine imagine like this, just like on a message deleted. You get my idea, and then like
Yeah.
you do. Is that how TypeScript callbacks work?
No, it's like this.
Like lambdas.
Yeah.
Isn't that how it works? Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I just mistyped
And
it.
this.
Yeah, you get my idea. And then you could also have on message edited in here. And you're like splitting up by like functionality rather than events. If you know what I mean.
I have no idea what's happening, but sure.
No, but do you get my idea? Is what I'm
Yeah.
asking.
Yeah, I see.
Because it's
Because then
like,
you could do in the other file you could do logging dot on message deleted.
well, not even that. You could make it like a string, as you did before, and then like a message edit, and then when this kind of event gets triggered, you could just pull the lambda from this. You get my idea. But yeah, you get the idea. And that's kind of what I'm saying. You could have multiple files that listen to the same events and have all of it in one file. So also then if you want to store like variables, you can also have that in the logging.ts file without having to like mess with that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I still cannot delete the events directory, but
Well, if you look back into the logging folder, my idea of an event was basically we have an export const event, right?
yeah.
And the way you create a new event, the music I'm listening to is interesting. Like the music up over the stream. And then so in here, and then you can do like event like type, and then a string. Now, really cool thing. So let's say make a quickly a interface of client event, right?
Okay.
And we export this as makes the client event, and we're gonna have kind, which is a key of client events, and then one is a boolean, and then we're gonna have execute, which is an awaitable.
Yeah, you know that's fair.
Awaitable
No?
void. As an example, now here it's gonna say we're missing kind. If you type in kind, if you look at my stream, type in kind, it will now type hint every single event that you could have.
I know, yeah, that is actually very fair. That's
And
a
you can
better
do-
way of doing it.
And then we can have we can have execute like that, and that's how events work. And there's no specific event directories because all will get registered.
Yes, but this should be event listener, not event, because it's not an event itself, it listens. So
Sure.
like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that works. But you get my idea. I think mine works a bit better.
Yeah, no, it very does. No, this is essentially what I was suggesting, but better. What I'm saying is just you would need to have the ability to export multiple events per file, because
What we could do instead is export const event. We could make this either, so we could allow it to either be a single export const event, or you could do export const events. Rather than just doing const event, we're just gonna do a default.
yeah, there you go.
Though, can we even do type ending with defaults?
Probably.
I'm gonna analyze them real quick.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, no, that.
But we could also do export default and then just do this.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Well, obviously this
So
is gonna be a problem, but you get the idea. And then here we could have.
Oh, I guess.
And then as an array of a client event array. And now it'll be one kind. Yeah, and we can support both.
That seems fair. No, I agree.
That's like Discord notification.
No, that's really fine actually.
Okay, we can actually implement this right now.
Yep, delete the events folder because we don't need that.
Just delete everything.
Oh.
Okay, So I'll just comment this out so we don't get screamed at by TypeScript. Okay, let's quickly. So, whoops. So the way I'm gonna do this, in the actual source folder, we're gonna have a folder. I'm gonna say handlers, and then here I'll just do event.ts, right? So here's gonna be all of our. So basically, yeah, I know that was just for testing. About going back, I think we should do. We should allow export const event, and this, or I could do export const event is equal to this. So it's always gonna be called event, just because this prevent. I guess we could do both event and events. Yeah, but I'm not sure how dynamic imports work with.
Yeah, well,
yeah, we'll see. Because we could also just say events, and now it'll automatically know. Oh, it's giving an array of events. We could do that. But in here,
that's the way I went with it, but it's fine.
so the way I'm thinking this should work. Well, here we're gonna have an export function load event, and this will load a specific event file. But then in our extended client class, we're gonna have this be able to load from the specific directory. That makes sense.
I see. Yes.
So this function load event will require a client.
Okay, makes sense. Actually, why don't we just make this a class and require the client in the constructor and then make all of those methods, because that makes way more sense.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay then.
I feel like 'cause these are external functions, they should be separated, but they will be connected in one extended client. What are you talking about, Eisen?
Sure, I guess. Well, how long will you be holding codingcat hostage? Indeed, how long will you be holding me hostage? Is there anything you should?
What does that even mean?
No, I just was.
Okay, so now I'm gonna have a type, which is a key of client events, and then once it's a boolean and execute.
Wait, what? Why? Literally, why?
What do you
Why
mean
would you
why?
not just pass in like an event listener instance?
Because
Didn't you literally?
yeah, no,
Didn't
but
you literally just define an interface for that? Why would you?
well, I got rid of it. But yeah, I'm thinking because what if we have one load event file that lets you just load specific. Okay, you know you have a point. Let's just do that. Yeah.
Yes, but you should call it event listener because that's what it is.
Let's do a function load function load event listener. Let's spell that right.
I guess it should be register, right? Because it's registering.
I guess.
It's...
And this will accept a. Let's quickly do. In source, we're gonna have a folder called types, and let's just do event listener.ts, and export interface event listener.
Yes.
I am dyslexic, and then here we're gonna have obviously type. Oh, kind I guess. Type. Let's do type. And then just do key of client events. We are gonna do a check to make sure type is actually a thing that's part of client events. Yeah, if you hover over type, by the way, it tells you all the events. It's pretty cool.
Yep, I see.
We're gonna have once. Or should we make type support multiple event types?
No, because that doesn't make. Actually, should we use generics? Wait a minute. How does I'm thinking of something. Because client events, right?
Yeah.
How does event listening in Discord.js work? Can you show me like how you would normally, without this, just make like an on message send event in Discord.js? Because I'm thinking.
Go to index of the examples.
Yes.
The client at once.
Yes.
That's how you make a once event.
Okay, but
And
let's say
if you
want
do
to-
message create, that provides message.
So that's what I'm saying. Is that linked? Because isn't that just generics? Let me look into client. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because that's just generics. So does that not mean?
But it doesn't
Sometimes
it doesn't tell us what args it provides though, which is a problem.
Does it not? Because how do
No.
you?
It says So args is client events event. No, args just.
Right.
Oh.
Oh wait, no, because that's a lambda, but no, wait, that's a listener. But that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
If we're able to do that, we could like genericify the event listener so that we can. You get where I'm coming from?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, actually, that's a really smart idea. So in the event listener here, what we could do is. I don't know how to do lambdas in interfaces. I'm gonna be honest. So just type is a T.
Yeah, there you go.
And
so
then
it's like
T extends key of client events.
what does extends key of mean? I'm so confused by TypeScript.
Okay, so client events is an object, and then key
Yes.
of is the keys.
Oh, that's so cursed. What the heck? Okay, sure. No.
So now if you do T, so what we could do if I just follow this thing from, let me go back to.
Type is T. Yeah, because that's key of. Oh, that's cool.
So if I go back to our example, let me just. See.
Oh, and then access. Oh, I see how it is. No, you know what you can do? I think I figured it out. Actually, because.
Actually, just look at my idea, and now here we could have execute.
Yeah, exactly that.
Yeah, execute.
I see how that works now. That's crazy. So that's like getting the. What the heck is TypeScript? I see how that works. That is so cursed.
A waitable of. Let's just return void because we're not gonna have returnable, and we could have dotted args as this.
Yeah, and then you get the key. Yeah, that's VT. And then you get the. You can do like key value mappings through the TypeScript type system. What the heck? Okay, what? This is kind of cool, but this is also so cursed. What
Thing is, client isn't always provided.
What?
Yeah, client's only provided on client ready.
Well, that doesn't matter because.
Well, no, we will always want access to client though, like the current client instance.
Oh, I see.
What we could do is just provide client always.
Yeah, just do that. That's fine.
Thing is, the only problem is on client ready we'll have client twice.
So
it's not a problem, but it's.
Can you not just leave it out in the lambda? Just TypeScript allow you to do that?
I don't know.
Well.
Let's assume it doesn't. This works though. This works. Well, this isn't gonna be of type client. It's gonna be of type extended client.
Oh, fine, fair, yeah.
Oh, is it? No, we're gonna make a lambda that says if the user is using a client, it's gonna return client, otherwise extended client. I find that smart. If that's possible.
Wait, what's it again?
No. I was thinking, I was like, maybe not.
Doesn't really matter. We can always pass in this extended client because extended client is a client if we make the type hierarchy properly.
I spelled high wrong, but this is a very basic event listener.
What even? What is this a thing? Right? Yeah. No, I see.
Let's quickly export it. We probably don't have
cool.
to.
I like this.
So let's go into. Let me close examples. Let's go to event. And this is gonna require the client, obviously, and then the event to the listener as event listener. Let's just do a quick test.
Yep.
Register event listener of new client.
Sure.
Just do it in tense. Just an empty array.
That doesn't matter. Yeah.
It will scream us. And then here we can do an empty array. And if I do.
I think you messed up the. No, actually you didn't.
Okay, I'm just gonna do a thing here. Const test is equal to as event listener.
Wait, why don't we not just do? Why don't we just? That works. Why don't we just do that?
We're using the wrong event listener. That's why.
Oh.
Because it's using the one. It's not using the imported one. It's using the one that's just generated from.
Oh, what?
We should probably rename it to Discord event listener then.
Why not just bot as listener?
Bot works, yeah.
That's shorter. Can we not just do like refactor?
Yeah, we can. Well, it won't apply to these because it wasn't imported.
Oh, yeah, I see.
There we go. So now if I try it.
Oh, wait, we need to specify the generics. Right. Yeah, never mind. What? We can't do that. Wait, how do you specify it, like, generic? What? Okay, but, like, why? Sure, but, like, why? Why would you need to do that? Can you not just tell it that it can be anything in the generic scope?
Listen. Okay, so it requires one type argument, but if I do spaced out, why does it support everything? Well, that's not supposed to be a thing, because what is event listener? Once, type, once, and execute. Then why is there so many things here?
What?
What? Like, I just say type?
You need to like, yeah, there you go.
What? Why isn't it giving us the proper type hinting? I did export, yeah. Huh?
Because we're missing a type. I think we're missing a type argument. That's why. Like, shouldn't we be able to auto assume that from the
here we go.
declaration? Yeah, but like,
that's just stupid then.
I don't think we need that though.
And yeah, in this case, we don't even need type then.
No, we need type because we need to be able to. We can't just grab that from the generic because the generic is part of the type system, and we need that thing at runtime. So
we can get it. Yeah, but then that means we have to specify type twice.
no, I don't think so. Isn't there a way to like make it assume? I swear, if we just get rid of this and we just put this,
No.
there has to be a way for it to like assume the type based on this.
Eisen.
Man, this is so TypeScript, like genuinely. Can't we just like?
No, that's not a thing.
Wait, let me look this up. I don't.
No, that won't work.
Well. Fix.
Fix.
Cool. Literally does nothing. Wait, what does VS Code say for as a quick fix for that? Because
Did you not find anything?
I'm looking.
What's this KI? I can't even ask AI. Literally the VS Code AI. Ha.
Okay, let me look up the.
That's not gonna be
Generic.
possible. No, I'm stupid.
Generic classes, yes.
Interfaces, by the way, not classes.
I know, but like, same thing.
Not really.
Well, yes, because it's the same, like, assumptionary. Okay, but like, what if I want to define, because functions can do that, why wouldn't...
I guess because interfaces are done at compile time. But I won't change anything, functions are as well.
Yeah, exactly. But like... Aww. Really don't. What if we just not, Can you try to, like, apply the VS Code quick fix and see what that does?
There isn't one.
There is one. Not like here, obviously, but...
Where?
There.
just AI.
Is it? Oh, okay. What does it do?
It doesn't
I
work.
swear there's to be like a way to just tell it to assume the parameter. Because why would you have to specify twice? Doesn't make any sense. Application mind permission. No. Like this works.
Yeah, but you have to specify twice.
Actually, let's just try to actually complete the declaration and then see if that's fine. Because execute would then be client event something. And then like test. Okay, so this works. Yeah, that works. Actually, yeah, why do we need to... Wait, is there a way for us to obtain the... Can we obtain this string from the TypeScript runtime? Is like the general question that I have.
I don't know.
Because I know that... Because say we are in here, so listener... listener that... Well, yeah, I guess, but... Type of listener... What would that be? Okay, wait, let me just... Okay, let's do the following. Let's just try to console.log type of listener. No, what the hell? Are we not able to, like... Okay, that returns a string. Does type of return a string? Like, oh... That could work. That's a bit cursed, but it could work. I wonder, Wait a minute.
I might have an idea. If you look into the bot listener, I'm gonna quickly comment this out. Right. This is a bit cursed, I think, but if I do export type bot event listener is gonna equal this, and we're gonna have, I'm thinking, if we do something like key in key of, well, this should be T, in key of client events, whoops, and then we do this, right? Give me a second. And here we do this.
What am I even looking at?
And we just remove this. Actually, I don't know. I'll just try. I was googling something. Just give me a sec.
Oh, wait a minute.
That works.
Uh,
I think I fixed it. Yeah, I think that's done. Look at the thing. Const test of bot event listener. And if I specify type, oh no, it doesn't work. I thought I really had it there.
what'd you do?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Well, no, that's just the same thing, isn't it?
Um,
Okay, wait, but I had an idea, I think, because... Yeah, no, it doesn't work obviously because. Huh.
It appears there's no easy ways of doing this.
Well, we could just specify twice, really. Actually, does it even matter? Because if we.
Do we need to specify it twice though?
We do. I just don't see why it wouldn't like be able to assume this from the type here. For example, like if we do that, and then no. Uh, because like say we have. Mm, say we have this, right? And because all of this works, that's the thing.
Hmm.
Then only if we do that, they actually recognize us that we're trying to. Interesting.
I have an idea. If we go back to the
Right.
event code, let's get rid of all this. Let's have, right. Get rid of this. Let's have a. Let's also get rid of this because it's annoying. The errors, I
It's
don't
so
like
annoying
errors.
that you can't actually have
So-
like
so if
run
I
it,
do
like because
Explore
TypeScript
const
does
define event as an example. T
Okay.
extends key of client events, right? Very basic idea. And then here we specify, whoops, E, which is the bot event listener. Hello?
What? Yes.
Okay, I thought, for some reason it wasn't working. And here we specify T.
What the heck?
And we could just make it return E. So if you now do const test is equal to define event. Like here we can specify type as ready,
Oh my god.
and now if I do execute,
No way.
if I just do execute,
I see what you're doing there. I don't know why it's doing that, but it should be like.
yeah, look, it works. It returns both clients. No way.
What
So-
would args be normally? Oh,
It just be client and listener. Let's do message create.
What if I put in? Wait, no. What if I put in? Oh yeah, forgot message create.
And then look, hover over execute, and now it does say it supports message string. It does work. So we just have to have a helper function,
Oh my god.
which is really stupid because look at the helper function.
I know. I swear there's a better way of doing this. We just don't know it, but.
Well, this whole project is about not knowing it, so.
No, fair, yes. But that works. Actually, that makes it even better because we don't even have to specify the type. We could just use the define event. Yeah, no, that makes it even
Yep,
clearer.
and define event returns the bot event listener, so.
Yeah, so the test is just type of bot event listener message create. Yeah, there we go. And we don't even have to explicitly declare the type because
Yep.
implicit typing. There we go. Yay. That works. That's so stupid, but that works.
Do we put
Although
define event in this file, or do we put it into the typing file?
that's what I was about to ask.
I think we put it in the typing file because it's basically a type thing.
Sure. And I guess that makes it easier to import, so
Yeah.
that is so stupid, but I guess that's fair.
Should we also comment this, by the way?
Like, not right now, but yeah.
One day in the future.
The thing is, I'm not gonna. We could add like a little description, but for now, it very much is possible that the implementation entirely changes, and I don't want to write documentation unless I know that, you know,
Possible.
it's gonna somewhat stay the same.
Okay, so
Okay,
what
but,
was this function supposed to do? I forgot.
Register an event listener. Isn't
Oh.
it literally just like client dot? Is it
If
literally not just?
listener dot once.
Actually, can we make a cursed thing? I wonder. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So I have an idea, right? Can we make it like even more cursed? Does that work? Because instead of doing this, can we make this a variable and then like? Wait a minute. I have an idea. So hear me out.
Oh my god, I think we're both looking at different things at the same time. I'm gonna get rid of
I
my
know,
code.
No, keep that, it's fine. Wait, how do you do the not once? Is it just on?
Yeah.
So, do you see where I'm coming from here? Well...
You're saving... You know, actually, you have a point. There's no difference between the two, really.
No, exactly, and that's
Yeah.
why I'm...
Yes, we could do register func.
This is so not gonna work.
Yeah, it works.
does it work
Listener
actually?
dot type, and then we need this, and this is gonna be dot 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 args, so we accept any args provided, and then here we're just gonna call. We're gonna do a funny thing.
Oh yeah, no, we don't even need the brackets, we can just... What the heck are you doing? No,
So we
no,
also-
no.
Because you also need a.
What even? Why? Why can't we just pass in client directly? What do you mean?
We can't, unless I'm stupid.
Can you not just like?
Because then here
that?
we could do listener dot execute. Yeah, but
That's what I'm saying.
then how do you provide kind?
You literally just put it in. Isn't that just? Can't
No,
you literally
because
just,
we're not calling the function here. We're just providing the executable. Does that
What
really
do you
work?
mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, why would I not? Like client is fine. Well, no, but like yeah, I don't think it works.
Okay, I'm just really stupid. It's fine. It works though.
Do you see what I mean though? Because like,
So much simpler. Oh my gosh.
how high is the chance that this actually works?
Do we even need to make this a function?
Yeah, probably, but we could add like a debug log here for registered events. That's probably a smart thing to do. How is logging even working? On like, do we have a logger library or what?
Ooh, yeah. We're gonna do console.log or console.error.
Oh Jesus, please no! Is there a console.debug? Yeah, there is. Okay.
There is.
Yes, there is.
Oh.
Fine. I'm gonna do the fancy quotes. Actually, how do we know that?
It's a library though. Do we log anything?
We can.
Should we?
I don't know. For now, it's gonna be useful for actually testing.
For now, yeah.
Wait, how the hell do you? Is it this?
Yes,
Okay,
but you're using the wrong brackets.
I am
No,
using
there's
the
the wrong
wrong
speech marks. Sorry.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, never mind. Yes, there you go. No, that's not the. No. Why is it doing that? What do you even mean? Okay, there you go. Is that gonna? Because how do we actually uniquely identify?
The type. Well, there's no way to define.
Because there's no such thing as like. Because it's
No.
a. No, but isn't it like creating an anonymous instance when you initialize it using define? So wouldn't that technically?
Which was
I know
us
how to
saying.
work.
I don't think they should have a new login because it doesn't give us any information. All we're doing in this function is just adding it somewhere.
Sure. Yes.
So we're gonna have another function, like registering from a specific directory like events. Right. So
Yes.
how do you call it? So register event listeners from events.
No, we do not call. Stop.
Okay, this is
That's
the
almost as bad as REST application commands post whatever the hell it was.
What do you call it then?
Okay, why don't we just call it register all, literally,
Events.
and then literally just register all. It's in events. It's in event. It should be called events.ts actually, but it's in events.ts, and then we just as the thing we provide a path as the argument. That is in the method signature. You can see what it does without having to make
Relative
a name.
path.
That's totally fine. Just literally specify a path parameter, and it's. What do you mean relative?
Well, it's gonna
I mean,
be. Well, actually, is it gonna be? Oh, that's a problem. Because where is it gonna be relative from? Because I have a feeling it might be it might think it's relative from the library, instead of from the source.
Wait, how do we even do this? Doesn't all of this get compiled into a single file?
Yes.
But how do we then, like, you know,
What?
if all of it gets compiled into a single file, how do we at runtime load different files that only exist at compile time?
What do you mean?
Well, no. The way I understand is that all of this code that we have here, all of the TypeScript files, get compiled into a single JavaScript file, right?
Yes and.
What does that mean?
Okay, let's compile it. Let's just get rid of this error. P and okay, it's cd twice. P and pm build.
Okay.
If you look at the dist,
It's empty.
we have the CJS file.
It's empty still.
No, that might be because it might be because it's in the get ignore.
Oh, probably, yeah, okay. No, I see.
So, if you look at the typings, for example, you can see all the typings there is.
I
Let me
see.
screen share.
No, I can see it on stream. That's fine.
Yeah, but it's stream delay.
That doesn't matter, but sure. I can literally, okay, sure.
You can see.
Yeah, I see what you mean. It's just that, what are we doing? Because what we want to do is we want to load separate like files, right, in a specific directory. But how the hell do we do that if all of it gets compiled into one file?
Well,
Like,
it should be done relative to the to where it gets executed.
What? But still, how do we even because the files themselves don't exist anymore. They get compiled into a single file. How do we differentiate?
Right, but you know okay, so the place where so how can I explain this? We are not registering within the project. We are registering. How can I explain this? So what? Okay, so I assume the way you're thinking is below. Let's say would have register all and then / events, right? And you'd be like, oh, but that doesn't exist. I don't know. It doesn't exist because it'll be compiled. But
yeah,
the compilation doesn't happen at this stage. By the time the user is going to be working on this, it's going to be in their own compiled code.
What?
So when we call register all, that's already going to be a single file. But the path from events is going to be relative. From where they're calling it, not from the actual root. I don't know how to explain this.
Oh wait, so is it not an actual file path, but is it like TypeScript type paths, or is that?
I have no idea what that means.
Okay, anyways, just implement it and we'll see.
Well, that's first thing. So relative path. Let's bolt it right, yeah, and it's just gonna be a string.
Sure. Isn't there like a no man?
But how do we do this? Because the problem is relative path. Okay, so let me actually show you what I mean rather than okay. So let's say we go to our example index, and here let's say we want to call register all. Where is register all?
Yes.
Make sure we export it quickly. Let's quickly build it again. Okay. Now, in index, actually, I forgot to include as well. There you go, now it's compiled. So now in events, what we're supposed to be able to do is build import test from // obviously it's not gonna be this / index, right? So now we can do test dot register all, and here we can specify the path. But this should be
so many questions.
This should be called. Okay, let's just say freaking mylib, right? And here's mylib.
Oh wait a minute, yeah, no, you're right.
And
no,
then register all. It would get the path relative from where this function is being called. But I have no idea how to do that because I'm pretty sure when you do using path, like a node path, I'm pretty sure it does it from where it's being executed.
Yeah, and that's fine, right? Because
No, because it's gonna do it from inside node modules. I'm pretty sure. Let's actually let's test it.
no,
Let's test it.
no, because that doesn't make sense, right? Actually,
Let's test it. So
you mean
we're-
like calling file instead of.
okay. So the way we're gonna do it, so we're gonna import. Where am I even? Why am I importing my lib here? Where am I? I'm so confused. Oh, I just did it in the wrong place. It's fine. Okay.
Right, okay.
So let's say here we're gonna quickly import path from path and import fs from fs. So actually we don't have access to their name because wait, do you have access to their name?
What even is their name?
It gets the full it gets the full directory string. So like
So that doesn't
C
matter,
this
anyways, because.
well, because we can't because the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna say const event equals import because we're gonna import it like the from each individual file.
Yeah, no, I see,
But this requires
isn't the relative path enough for that?
no, it has to be absolute.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a problem.
Import requires an absolute path. I'm pretty sure.
Does it though? Because the normal import statements don't.
Let's try it. Let's go to. Okay, let's import dot slash let's do dot slash test dot test dot. How can we let's just work with the flow. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. No,
That's
but
fair.
no, but I feel like we do need an absolute path anyway.
What do you mean?
Because we're gonna be looping through every single file and folder inside of the events folder, right?
I guess.
Using fs.readTheir-sync.
How would I even still? Even if library is used by another person, what if they use TypeScript?
Yeah.
And which I guess they're supposed to do. But if they use TypeScript, then all of their at runtime, their files are not gonna exist anymore, anyways. So,
Yeah,
like, how are
but
you
that
supposed-
depends how they compile it. If you're compiling it the way we are into a single file, then yeah, it won't work. But if they're compiling it, so all the paths stay the same, but the TS converts into JS, then it works.
Okay, well, yeah, no.
That's the thing.
Fair. We just need to. That needs to be in the documentation then, no, but yeah.
Or it needs to be common sense. But yeah.
Well,
Let me just see something. Just give me a millisecond and a half. I'm trying to think if I could do this then. How we could do this.
right.
Because I had code. I had a bunch of code about how I was gonna make this extended client, and I kind of got lost, I think. Okay, I don't have it.
But shouldn't that just because can't you just loop through a relative directory? Shouldn't that just work? I don't see the problem with that. Because
I'm not sure.
we can just try, I guess.
I'm just thinking. Oh, that's stupid. We could use process.current working directory, and that gets us the absolute path.
No, that seems. Yes,
So
but
we
no.
we could do const events path is equal to path.join process.current working directory, and then relative path.
That seems very wrong and cursed, but let's try it for now.
Just let me see. Yeah, because if it's dir name or import meta URL, it's basically if we were to use dir name, right, which is the normal way to do it in a normal project, or import meta.url, these both would be an absolute path from node modules, from where this function is. But because process.cwd current working directory, it returns the absolute path from where. Let's test this. Let's just return a console.log events path.
But I think the problem is, wouldn't that be? No, wait, that doesn't work though, because the current working directory doesn't necessarily have to be the directory where the source files are located. Because if I run node from the root directory and point to a file in this, then the current working directory is going to be the root directory of the project, not the this directory.
Let's just try this. Let's just try compiling this quickly, and let's see if it works. And if I go to our example, which is this, and if I just quickly import test from, so we could do test dot. It doesn't work. Why not? Oh, that's a problem. Why is it not? Hello? It didn't compile.
Cool. Just delete the list folder and try again.
There we go.
No idea what was happening, but.
Okay, yeah, so let's say we go back to here. Can't find more, yeah, because I have to redo that because. Where is this? Where are we relative? We are here. Oh, import test from // this /index. And I can do, let's do up here, test dot register all / events. And now let's cd to example Discord bot, and then what was the command? Oh, yeah, we can just this. Oh, there's no default import for some reason. We could just import specifically the find event. No, register all.
There, yes.
And hope that works.
Okay.
Yeah, that works. No, it doesn't. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because currently you are just. Wait, no, what? What even is examples events? That's not a directory, is it?
No, examples is when we're supposed to have. Okay, let us.
Oh, because you're joining. Oh yeah, no, but yeah, yeah. See, because you are in examples, and that's the
No,
current working.
I was in examples Discord bot.
Wait, that.
Oh, because I did double. Oh, I know why. Because I did /.
1 second.
I know why. Where'd he go? Oh, he left. Yeah, it's because I did /. Yeah, it works. It works, guys. That's correct. Oh, yeah. And it's not going to be relative to the file, it's going to be relative to where it's being called from. Guess we're waiting for codingcat. Who's watching?
I have returned.
I fixed the problem. It's because I was doing // so it was going back one directory. It works.
Yeah, well, no, it doesn't work. But
It does.
like,
Look, yes, examples, Discord button and events.
is that correct though? Because that seems wrong. I don't know.
If I just do events and I try again. Why isn't
So
it
what
in
I
the
would be
source
interested in-
folder? Huh.
What I would be interested in is, right, if you try just CDing to like DJSX and then running it from there.
What?
Like compile it first using tsub,
Yeah. It's compiled.
and then CD to DJSX, and then run the index.js file from there. Oh, I'm not sure that's great.
Wait,
but-
compile what?
Okay, wait, just tsub it first, compile it.
Tsub what?
Literally, just compile it.
The example or the actual library?
The example.
It's compiled.
Okay, then go to DJSX, so 2 directories back. And then from there do node, and then not this index.js, but examples Discord bot. This, I don't know, whatever the hell it is, yeah. Okay, yeah, with that. Okay. Let me copy the...
Let's just get rid of everything.
What are you doing? No, what are you doing?
No, this will work.
Alright.
Oh, because I didn't compile it.
Oh yeah, right. You need to be in the correct directory again, because otherwise...
Example, Discord bot. Should have done some more to the stream.
Well, we're doing pretty good so far, I would say. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. Because then does that. I guess you could also just require the user to put in an absolute path, just put in their name themselves, that also works.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
By the way, just to be sure, you're not muted on stream, are you? I'm just asking.
I'm not, but you just terrified me for a second.
I know, I was just trying to make sure.
Beans wants to come in. I'm coming, Beans.
Can we get a Beans meow on stream?
She meowed. She meowed again. Yeah, I don't think there's a physical way in TypeScript or JavaScript to get the actual absolute path. Let me just double check if FS requires an absolute path.
Because...
It does accept relative paths. But from
Well,
where? Problem is from
yeah, that's
where?
what I'm saying. We would have to find out, but yeah.
Let's try it. Okay. So rather than doing, let's go to here, right? Yeah. If I just do, let's get rid of this and just do console.log fs.read their sync. I should no longer make this async. Read their sync and then relative path. What does this do again? Oh, where's the contents? I forgot what I forgot what the thing was called. Like, hello. It was called.
I have no idea.
Existing. If I just compile that again. PNPM build.
Wait, is that the correct? Oh, I know, man.
It is. And in our index, let's just create a /events. So in, where is this here? So we need an events folder instead of source. This should return true.
Right.
I should just try it from here and node. No, it doesn't work.
Oh. Yeah, I mean.
It's probably routed from the wrong place.
Actually, you could just try like printing all the subdirectories in just the current directory. Like just try to find all subdirectories for dot, literally.
Now you could do reader sync. And then just go with cd dot.
Well, no, not relative path, because relative path doesn't exist, but like.
Let's just quickly, what was the command again? I forgot. PNP build. And then cd back to example Discord bot. And here in examples Discord bot, we are just gonna do, how do we, okay, well this will throw an error. Right.
It should. Oh, that makes sense.
But is that because oh, literally reader sync does the same thing as we did before and it just processes the current working directory?
Yeah, no, but what if you just
No, it
Right.
doesn't. It appears to not work.
just don't put in relative path as a variable, put in dot instead, literally.
Would that work?
Let's find out.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna do source. And then events. And yeah, now it's gonna do it from root. Well, that's yeah, no, but still. Mm-hmm. But the thing is, if we didn't do cd dot twice, then this won't work anymore. Well, because yeah. mpx node example of this. Yeah. Because it's longer relative. Wait, Beans, I want you to meow for the camera.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this wouldn't work anyways, because FS is running it at runtime, and what we need is like from the TypeScript compiler, the directory, so I don't think that works.
Meow for the camera. We need some happiness.
We're getting beats me out.
Meow. Come on. Don't get angry, meow.
Moment of awkward silence.
Can you meow, please? The whole 3 viewers are expecting you to meow right now. codingcat's one of them. Your brethren. Just meow. Stop fighting me, just meow. Meow like you never could before. Okay, she's refusing to meow. Okay, Beans, you're a smart developer. You can code in C. Explain to me how we can do this.
What?
Explain to me. Haven't you seen the photo? I'll send it to you after. Explain
I
to
have so many
me.
questions.
Explain to me how we can do this.
Are you talking to Beans or are you talking to me?
I'm talking to Beans.
Fair enough.
Come on, you're smart. What do we press? Okay. Okay. Okay, she's standing on my keyboard. Okay. Oh, she's typing. She's sending you a message, coding cat. I think it's some kind of encrypted message that I'm not supposed to understand because it's cat only.
It has been a while since I've gotten a message from Beans specifically.
Okay, I'm gonna put her down now. She's getting a bit annoyed. This is what she sent you. I can't. This is something encrypted or something.
I see. Let me see. Ah, yeah, no, I see. That makes sense, actually. Yeah, no, just secrets from cat to cat, you know.
Okay, so what do we do?
I think we just literally require them to specify an absolute path. I think it's the only way to go.
Oh, we could. Oh my god, I have such a cool idea. I bet you never thought of this before. So.
Apexion, I very much agree.
What did you say? Yes.
Yeah, no, thank you for telling us that. We would have messed it up anyways. You're totally right.
Okay, so we could do absolute path, but default it to process.current working directory.
Sure, you know, fair. Why do we even have relative paths then? That doesn't make any sense. Mass, your noise suppression is off still, on stream, I think. Actually, that doesn't make any sense. There is no such thing as noise suppression on stream. Anyways, you can hear noises is what I'm trying to say. I think I'm hearing Beans noises, like very slightly.
I'll pull her up again. Come on, Beans, you've got this. Come on, Beans, meow. Meow like you've never meowed before. You've got this, just meow. Just meow. Meow. That was me, bad. That wasn't Beans.
Wow. That was Beans, yeah, I'm sure.
No, I said that was me, not Beans.
Oh, no. I didn't do it.
Don't try to escape from me. I'll let you leave once you meow. You're in my cage of meowness.
I don't think it's working.
Procrastination station.
I know, right?
We're on the wrong PC for this.
Oh, can you show them plan to our license?
Is the plot even here?
I think so, I don't know.
Yes, no, because only 2 viewers.
No, you could hear like a slight Beans meow, I think.
She's doing the in-heat noises.
Yeah, indeed. You could hear that, like, slightly.
Okay, well, that works. No, I think we still need a relative path, because absolute path is meant to be...
Why don't we just, like... We can't make it 2 arguments, or we can just let them concatenate 2 strings themselves. Doesn't really matter.
I think this is fine. Because then we can do const events path is equal to path.join absolute relative.
Sure. That works.
By the way, path.join is the best because it follows operating system schematics.
Yes, indeed, yes. Java's the same thing.
Water. Should I play guitar on stream?
You could.
You just died for a second.
But then again, it's procrastination.
It's been an hour and a half, you know. When are we planning to stop this, by the way? How much progress have we done?
We're done.
We've made 1 type. That's all we've done today.
Yeah, but it's a pretty cool type, at least.
It is I'll give you that. It is a pretty cool type. I'm the helper that does basically nothing for its TypeScript, so it's stupid.
I know, right?
Sure, her name, by the way.
What?
Oh, hello, Kiraki.
Welcome to insanity, essentially.
Procrastination station. Should we play some Magic instead?
No.
Low-key, I kind of want to finish that game.
So, essentially, Cracky, what is happening is we're making a Discord about TypeScript, and Mass has absolutely no idea about object-oriented programming. Well, kind of, and I do, and I don't have any idea about TypeScript, and we're kind of trying to figure something out together. We have created in total one type in like 1.5 hours. So it's going amazing, essentially.
One type, and it's 5 lines.
It's a very fine crafted type, if that's a word.
Yeah, you know, did you know awaitable isn't even a TypeScript native type?
What the hell?
It's from Discord.js.
Okay, now I don't even know what to say. Yeah, indeed, Craigie, very much. Oh yeah, show him our license, Mas.
Oh yeah, this is our license, so you don't steal our code.
Indeed, yes.
Okay, let's carry on. Let's not get procrastinated.
Fair.
So what do you do now?
We actually register and import the events, obviously.
Okay, so I'm thinking. So okay, so we're gonna do const events contents because fs got read their sync because we're doing it synchronously. We hate async around here. Right, so we're reading the and then we need events path obviously. So now
Indeed, yes, Craigie, I agree. Very serious. We're totally going to publish it, I'm sure.
why does this stream have 50 views? Okay, so now we have to differentiate. Well, this has to be recursive basically. How do you make it recursive?
We make it recursive.
Oh, that's why we get to specify absolute path because that makes it so we can make it recursive. See how smart I am?
What? What?
Well, no, because what if it's a file? Let me. Oh, I didn't make anything. Give me a
I
second.
think we literally just have to... Why is it called events contents? It doesn't make any sense.
Well, because it's this returns if I say read to their sync returns an array of the contents of the events path folder.
Okay, sure. You know what? Sure.
Okay, if I
And then
do.
we just literally need to... We literally just need to loop through. We just literally need to do this.
Do you know what FS stands for, by the way?
File systems, file something.
File system.
Yep.
Yeah, the only problem is, file could be a folder.
Okay, yeah, no, I guess that makes sense, but
And I don't
can we not
think
just do...
no, because it returns a string.
Yeah, but then can we not just be like,
Okay, so const file path. There's path
Exactly, yeah.
join
that's
events
what I was saying.
path events contents.
No, what do you even
No,
mean?
what am I?
File?
What did I just do?
Yeah, that's work like that.
I think I'm a bit tired.
Really? And then can we do like, the auto-completion is so slow.
No, there is a thing. Wait, it's not.
Maybe it's like
oh, it's fstat sync. No, it's just stat sync. I'm not sure fstat sync is. Wait, what is the difference? Okay, wait, let me Google this.
Interesting how all the
FS.
FS methods are literally like just, literally like Unix commands for file interaction.
Why is it so bright?
Oh no.
Oh no, but if I do it is just stat sync, it doesn't exist. Okay, there we go. Oh, then we can do is file or is directory on okay.
I see, okay.
So const file data and then file path. And then if file data dot is directory then what do we do?
We just recurse even more.
So we call it register
Literally.
rel.
Yes, literally.
And then what do we provide in relative path?
I just don't actually. Yeah, the absolute path would still be.
It'd be file path, wouldn't
No.
it?
Yeah, no, it would be. Yes, it would be. And then
Literally this.
the relative. Wait, let me think of this.
And then we just return this as well.
No, actually, no, wait. We can do this better. We can make this event path, and we can make this file. See what I mean?
Yeah. That could work. Yeah, that works. And then now we know it's a file. So
And then we just. Yep.
oh, we have to make this a function asynchronous.
Do we know?
Yeah, because we're gonna use the dynamic imports, and that requires it to be synchronous.
Oh, that's great. Why do we even use reader synchron if it's asynchronous? That doesn't make any sense.
Because
Shouldn't we then use async file system operations? Because like.
I guess we could. I've never done it before, but we could, I guess.
If it only so like that.
No, because now it expects 2 to 3 arguments instead of 1.
What?
I think it's just sync.
Is it though? That doesn't make any sense. Well, no. Okay, never mind.
Oh, it's so weird. I thought sync meant synchronous, but it means something else apparently.
Really? What else would it mean?
I don't know, but for some reason, if you just do read there, it says expect 2 to 3 arguments.
Yeah, I guess that's just a different.
So we need a callback.
Okay, you know what? No, oh, that's kind of asynchronous. No, okay, let's do it like that.
Okay, now here we're just gonna do. Okay, I can't see. So we could do here const. Const event equals await require file path.
That's so cursed, right?
Did I not make this async? Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah. Then this doesn't even need to be async.
it does. I don't think it does it.
It doesn't make any sense though, because how then do we?
I just make async for fun.
You know, we should use a normal for each loop actually. No, I don't think of it.
Don't. No, that's.
Is that not how that works? What the heck? Okay, I'm not gonna question it. Is off the correct operator here? I think doesn't matter. I'm realizing.
It's off.
No, it doesn't matter because it's a list anyways. We can use both.
We're gonna use off.
Can we not? Okay, well.
You might be correct, but we're gonna use off. And we have to type specify this because it's TypeScript. We don't have to, but we should TypeScript this.
Yeah.
We do as and then event. We have to use as, by the way. And then here.
Yeah, same. Cracky, I can tell you, same, really, for the most part. But why do we not just like do that then?
Because you can't do that.
Why?
Because you can't. Because
Okay,
that's
then.
just not how that works.
Okay then.
Oh, that's a problem. Because what event necessarily requires a client event?
Can we wait a minute? I have an interesting question. Does it? What the heck? We could have done that the entire time. Are you kidding me?
Oh yeah, we
So
could
you-
have. Wait, no,
So you're telling
actually,
me we don't even need the stupid define function.
this should be unknown. Oh,
it
no, we
doesn't
can't.
work. So you're telling me, see that's exactly what I was looking for earlier. So you're telling me we didn't even need the stupid define function, we could have just put in any. You have to be kidding me.
Yeah,
See,
but
that's what I was looking for.
work.
That's what I was looking for earlier, because I was thinking of a question mark, that's what it is in Java, but I don't...
You
Oh
could
my
tell
god,
me.
that's so stupid.
I guess I don't need that function anymore.
Well, anyways, we can keep it, it's fine. But like,
Okay, so now we have event. If you do event dot, you can see we have all the things for it. Then literally all we do is that we do register event listener. We need a client. What?
Fair, yes. Shouldn't that be extended?
Why
to the
is this
future?
why is the problem now?
What do you mean? What's the problem?
What?
What indeed?
Oh, because it didn't provide client.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, no, silly, because it's a recursive call. Anyway.
There you go.
I think that works. Yes.
It might. There's. Should we try?
We should.
Okay, let's compile this. Actually, let's delete this folder. We don't want any mishaps.
Sure.
Oh, there we go. There's this folder. Now let's go. What's in the? Okay. Now let's go to here. Now we need a client. By the way, that new function is where you could do your log or debug. I mean, console debug.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter, but sure.
Register all. We should be able to just do /events.
No, not that slash actually. Literally just. That doesn't. Yeah, literally just that.
It's the same thing.
Why is it? Why is events even the source? Literally. Oh no, mind. It's just.
We do. Okay. Problem is we don't. Problem is, that's the wrong thing.
What do you mean we don't?
We don't because it's defaulting to process.current working directory.
Index.d.ts is literally empty. Oh my god. Control click on register all.
I think that's just you, pal.
What the heck? Okay. No? Sure, VS Code Live share. Sure.
This is working so well. Okay. Oh, you almost just fell off my chair.
We should get a break soon.
What was it? Oh, what? TSX. No, what was the thing again? I forgot.
NPX.
NPX. TSX. I can't forgot. Okay, now let's just do node. This. Let's do the /source/. We have to add. What do you mean? Oh, because it didn't compile it. Yeah, it worked because it did nothing. That's what reminds me. We didn't do any checking.
Was it,
We didn't ever check for if the directory exists and stuff. We're assuming it does.
That is a fair point.
And we're also assuming event has everything that's required, which it might not. So we can do, if not, fs.exist sync events path, we throw something. But what do we throw? What kind of errors is there? Do we just throw a new error? Is that it?
That works, sure.
What do we say? Events directory provided does not exist.
Sure.
I'll just do brackets. Events path. Oops. Events path. If
So now we need to actually test
event-
this with it.
Okay, if there's no event dot execute or there's no event dot type. Oh, that's
Okay, I'm making a test example event.
event
Wait, what does it expect in? Oh.
what are you doing?
I'm making it like an example event in events test, yes.
Okay.
What is it? Message create?
Yeah, capital C.
I don't
Lowercase m.
I don't have all. Can
You
I
know
import
what?
the function?
I'm just gonna give you access to a terminal.
That shouldn't matter because I think it's just slow. Well, that works.
Event a file path is missing a required execute type or execute property.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
no worries, Q Raki. It's
Oh
Q
yeah, quick.
Raki.
Shit. I'm sorry. No, no, you didn't hear that. You didn't hear that. You did not hear that.
Should we have register all or return something? You think?
Possibly. I don't know. Man, oh, there we go. See, now it works. Okay, so I made a simple event handler. If you look in test.ts.
Okay.
Are you in there? It's in events. Okay, but see, the thing is, I don't see this. I don't see anything, in fact. The errors only appear when you open the file. I think this needs to be async, doesn't it?
No.
Actually, no, because... what? Isn't this, like, awaitable? Oh no, it's a promise, but isn't a promise awaitable? What?
Let me just read the problem. Stop typing. Stop typing. Stop typing.
Oh, we can hear beans.
Hi beans. Type promise.
Yeah, fair, quickie. Quirky. No, man.
It's because we're returning something.
Yeah, but like, what the hell? Okay. I'm not gonna question it. Fair, yes. So, this should work, right? You get my idea. Can we start and then show Discord?
It's just it. I'm terrified actually. Oh.
Wait, you just compiled the library in the wrong...
No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I did. Whoops.
Okay. Anyway.
I mean, I won't do anything. Oh, is... Oh, I know why. Where's the pocket touches? It should be a module.
Okay.
Ah, fine. Just randomly start nitpicking every single thing I've done.
What? Oh. How did that happen?
I just felt like it.
Why did you do that anyways? That's what I was asking earlier. Why would you do that?
I don't know. What?
I think it's not compiling it again. Oh wait, no. What? Wait, no. It's trying to load the events file. What?
Oh, that's such a stupid problem. I know exactly why it's happening.
Oh yeah, no, I think I see it. Yeah, no.
No,
right.
it's to do with require. It's because it requires a file relative path rather than it requires a file path. So it's file path, file URL to path is what we need.
Oh, what?
And then
Okay,
file path. That will fix it. It's a problem I experienced before.
I have so many questions.
And then
Not jokes.
pn build.
Nice.
Give me a second, you have to leave. So, what do you think the problem is?
Well, I was just guessing. Aren't we, wait a minute. What is it even trying to import here? It's trying to import test.ts. Does that make sense if it's running as JavaScript? Because, like,
Oh, that's a problem, yeah.
you know what I mean?
Ooh. Oh, because we're compiling into a single file.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, whoops, that is a problem. Yeah, no, that will happen. That does tend to happen.
Alright.
That does tend to happen. Because it's gonna exist, but it's not gonna exist. That's just because of the way we're compiling. Instead of tsub, pm remove tsub. We have TypeScript. There's a tsconfig here that I think I can borrow. There is a tsconfig I can borrow. What did I just do? There we go. Okay. I forgot the command. It's npx tsc. Yay! There we go. It works. Yeah, it's now compiled. See?
Right. Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, no, let's try again. Wait, that's another thing we should actually fix. If you go to the bot event listener, no, in the events, we are currently getting reader sync.
Right.
If it's okay, so the problem is this would get all files. So even if they're not TypeScript or JavaScript, it would try
That's
to
right.
require them.
Yeah, no, I see.
Can we do if file data dot name? No.
Isn't it literally just part of the file path? Can we not just...
Is it just file? It is just file.
No, it's just file.
What is file return though? Oh, it's gonna be the whole. Okay.
Just literally do like ends with.
If whoops, not file dot ends with .js, and I'm also gonna do one for TypeScript because there are some testing thing. If I just do continue, because you can run TypeScript.
Interesting.
You can interpret TypeScript. You can do
Right.
that. So just in case.
Because... Yeah. No, I see.
And that should work. Also, just an extra, test. I mean.
Why are you building... Oh, no, man.
Okay, now we're gonna see the back into examples. So what was the problem again? Oh yeah, now the problem should be fixed if I just compile it again. And... Is that
I'm hearing Dean.
Oh, no you're not. Bean isn't even in the room. Oh, you might be hearing me actually. Can I do watch? Is that a thing you can do? There we go.
Oh, nice.
So now it should be running.
Yeah, but no, it's not running. It's just you compiled it, you just didn't actually run
Right,
it.
yeah. No, I'm very stupid. We can just do node this/index.js. No, we can't. No, because this doesn't exist, does it? Oh, it does exist. No, it doesn't. Examples, Discord bot. Dist, index.js. What do you mean doesn't exist?
What about... Maybe it needs to be not .js, but just index. I don't know if that makes sense.
That doesn't work like that.
Okay, well.
Excuse me? If I just do ls. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. cd dist. Which will break our... Actually no, that doesn't... What do you mean? Oh, I just do dot slash.
I guess.
But it
Oh, it
does.
says module not found. Is it a module? Because... Oh, wait, no. Oh, no, it's a problem in the file. Oh, it says. It's the import from the actual library that's broken.
Oh, right. So we need some logging going. File, home, mass, documents, coding projects, dist index.
Because we're importing the library in the main file of Discord bot example. You know?
So we just do this, slash events.
No, that doesn't matter. That's not the thing I'm talking about. No, undo that.
But what? I don't even know what the problem is really.
Look at line 3.
Yeah.
That is the problem.
What does that you mean?
Because that's the thing it says it can't find.
Oh.
Just delete the dist directory and rebuild the library actually, because the directory is correct. I think it just can't.
What are you talking about? Rebuild the dist directory. Oh, dist.
Yeah, like this one.
Or this one.
No, the wood one.
We need to make some scripts for this because it's gonna get annoying.
Yeah, we should. Okay, now try. Because I'm a bit confused as to why that wouldn't work.
Whoops. CDE. Let me just redo the path then.
Yeah.
Whoops.
So see, that's why I'm curious, because...
Okay, where's the path?
Oh, wait, what? Imported from... No, that's fine.
Did you just ext? No, it should work though.
Maybe try index.js. I have no idea if that would change anything, but...
That's not how that works. But we can try, I guess. Where am I?
I'm a bit confused, honestly, because...
It's not how it works. Not, yeah.
Well, you would have to recompile it, because...
Sticks and stones will break my bones.
Oh. Just make it one liner that's txt and then...
What was the command again?
This index.js.
Oh, yeah, this index.js. That's a good sign.
The suspense.
This is a good sign.
No, I think that's just txt taking its time. TSC, I mean. The suspense.
If I just do node this. See how it's not throwing any errors?
It's not doing anything. Oh wait, didn't we comment out the thing where it actually logged in the Discord bot?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, well then we would need
Can we
to...
add some comments, please? Okay, let's do logger.no console.
Shouldn't
Debug.
it... Shouldn't we just... Wait, no, it's supposed to say something. Actually, no. Yeah, that's beautiful.
See, it works.
Oh my god, okay. So now wait, let's go to Discord.
But it doesn't reply.
Did you check?
Yeah.
Interesting. Are you in the correct channel? Because it doesn't have view permissions and any of that. Oh wait, did you add the good message content intent? Because...
Yes.
Yeah, no.
The other thing I'd be guessing is something to do with this function. Okay, now let's quickly add some. Is there a way to view all events?
What do you mean? No, like you could just add a logging thing in the register function like I was doing.
No, literally this. Returns an array an array of listing the events for which the emitter has registered listeners. No, that's not it. Yeah, you could just do it to a main handler. Oh god, this is starting to look like instrument table language.
Well,
It's already been 2 hours, what?
I know, right? We should stop soon. Do we wanna do until like 30?
Yes.
Okay.
Speaking of, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, I'm gonna be right back.
Oh, yeah, fair. Is he gone? Is he gone? I think he's gone. You know, so now, I don't even know. Can you guys still hear me? Yes. Now I can tell you guys, like, 2 viewers, I think, all of my secrets, all of his secrets, I mean, even. I just need to think of something. That's an interesting question. What can I tell you guys? Well, I don't actually know. I wonder. So, did you guys know, right? Did you guys know that Mass was not always the president? In fact, he stole his presidency from me. If you don't know what that means, then you have missed a lot of lore. Never mind, don't worry about it. But yes. Did you guys know that in fact he stole the presidency from me in a totally very unfair and non-democratic vote at all? That is a thing that happened, and if you ask him, he's going to deny it, obviously. But that is a thing he did to me, indeed. So I'm just thinking, right? Because how can I get my presidency back? That is kind of the thing. Actually, I'm not surprised. Maz, are you here? Are you listening to me? Are you just waiting for me to? I wouldn't be surprised. Probably not, but I wouldn't be surprised. Well, other than that, yeah. So if you guys were wondering, that secret message that Beans sent to me, right? That is just we're just seeing how I can get my presidency back. Me and Beans. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. But I don't actually know if anyone is listening at all at this moment. But just don't make sure not to tell him. Hello, I did not say anything. I was quiet the entire time.
I definitely wasn't listening for the past minute.
I am sure you were. See, I was literally saying, I'm sure Maz isn't here, sitting here listening to me. That's what I said like 2 minutes ago. Anyways, you didn't hear anything. I knew that.
Okay, so
well,
what did you want to do?
Test. Oh yeah,
Test.
No, like, actually, can we, in this thing, in the end.reply, reply, just literally add a logging message thing here? Because just, like...
Well, no, because that won't log if it's... it would log if the event called, but it won't log if the event got registered.
No, fair, but I want to know if the event called. Because,
You can do that.
Well, to be fair, it doesn't really matter. Actually, add one in, not the fine event, but let's add one in the libraries.
Register all.
Not register all, but like register one. Like the...
But we can't really, no, we should do it in register all, because when you're registering a specific one, we don't get any
Fair. Yeah, I guess.
Here, we could do console.debug actually, let's do this after. Here. Registering event just file. Or let's just do file path.
That's fair. Okay, we need to build the library and then do the thing.
Beans just almost fell off my table.
Screw it, I'm making a script for this. I don't care.
Oh, it never registers it.
I'm not surprised.
Okay, whilst you're doing that, I'm gonna log in and debug absolutely everything. There you go. That should be done.
Fair.
Just added a tiny bit amount of debugging.
Ah, right.
Fine, Beans. I'll let you leave.
Okay, I'm done.
Could you hear the sound difference between my two guitars?
Not really.
Okay.
I'm done. I
Are
made a
you?
script.
Where is the script?
So wait, the idea is you go back into like you can always
run
start from,
ebot.
Yes, because I. So the idea is you can always stay in like the root directory, and you don't have to go to that directory. And you can just wait.
And does it compile everything?
Yes. So wait, let me just give it the proper permissions. There you go. And then you can do this.
The fact that you can just do this is terrifying.
Well.
Well, that's an error we made.
Well, no, that's just a. Why is it using the? Why would it be using that? That's not right. Because it's now running on a different working directory. But like, why would it be? Why would you use the working directory in the example? But even can't we just inside here? Shouldn't we use like __ dir name? Wouldn't that fix it?
Well, we can't use their name. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yes, we can.
No, because we're not in the library.
Yeah. We can't use their name. We can fake their name though.
Okay.
Google, help me.
Oh no. Also, we should have committed stuff a long while ago. I'm realizing, but you know.
Give me a sec. Okay, yeah, I found it. So, their name. So you do const __ file name is file URL to path import meta.url, and then const their name is equal to their name file name. Whoops. Huh? It does exist though. No, it doesn't. Look at the path. The event directory provided home, mass, documents, coding projects, DGS extension, examples, Discord bot, dist, source events. It should work. Ah, yeah. Oh no, we just get rid of. Oh, flip. But look, it did log something. We have an events path, events contents. Oh. Every single events file is gonna have extra things now because of mappings. It's not a problem though. That won't cause any problems. Yeah, we need the env by the way. You're muted by the way. Can't hear you.
Oh my god, that's so stupid. Just move the env file to the root directory.
You can do that. I don't want to accidentally open it.
I cannot move it. It doesn't even show up for me.
Where is the env file?
It's there.
Yeah. If I paste it, it's gonna open it, isn't it?
Yes.
Maybe
Nice.
we set the token.
You know, the thing is, the bot really doesn't have access to anything else. I'm gonna reset in a second.
Okay, just run this.
Okay, wait.
Okay, so you go to events contents.
I still cannot even see the env file. You have to be kidding me.
Did my stream break?
No, like on my own.
No,
VS Code.
my stream. It's frozen on my thing.
For me, it's fine.
Oh. Okay, so an interesting thing. It's frozen on events contents.
Wait, how do we put in the new bot token? Is my question.
What do you mean?
Because I physically cannot see the env file.
Ooh. It's fine. Did you reset it already?
Yeah.
Well, that's not a problem right now. We're worried about that in a few minutes. Okay, so the problem is.
But actually, just delete the env file and I will create it myself. I think it works.
You could have thought of that
Yeah.
before, you know.
Yeah, well. listen, okay. Oh, there you go. Yeah, anyways.
So, okay, this still results in the same problem. If I want events contents, right, so these are the files, but it doesn't look through them.
Wait, let me see.
Let's console.log each individual file, a debug file. Yeah,
that works.
test.js. If... Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let's... But it never gets past this continue thing.
Does it though?
Look,
Alright.
let's console.log file, console.log file again. So there should be an appearance twice for everything. Huh.
What is wrong with this condition then? Because
F file, not in...
oh, wait a minute, we're stupid. I think this has to be.
No.
Actually, no, because
Let's just remove the condition in general.
no, this is correct.
Just for
Because-
testing, let's just remove it.
That's probably gonna work now.
Yeah, no. What's a different problem?
Yeah, no, but that works. File data. Come on. Yeah, no. Anyways, but. Oh, it's using the stupid d.ts one. Oh my god.
Well, yeah, because it's the first file that's in there.
Yeah, but no, because it ends with ts, but it's d.ts.
But it could just say,
come on.
okay, let's just say, if it doesn't end with JavaScript, you continue for testing purposes.
No, sure.
Which... Okay, now it works. Okay, so... It has the path, which is a real path. What we can do is... where is the thing? Event. Here we can do json.parse. Or stringify, sorry.
What?
It will convert it to a string.
Oh, I see.
It didn't convert to a string. Are you sure this is getting compiled?
I don't even.
Oh no, it's
I don't
because
think it even-
file data is the wrong. I'm looking the wrong one. JSON.stringify file data. Just for testing
Yeah, no, that's fine.
purposes.
I don't even think it works like that.
It does.
Oh, what? That's so gross.
Well, it
Oh,
says
yeah.
invalid URL.
I think that file URL to path is the problem. Because it has to be. No, because wait, I found it. I know what it is.
What is it? No, it creates that. That's the whole thing.
No.
Yes.
Look in the examples.
No, it creates file.
I don't know what to tell you. Look in the examples.
We can try it. I'm like 67% sure it creates it.
Oh.
So you try again?
Okay, well now it finds it.
That's
I don't
so
know what to
stupid.
tell you.
They don't. It's. We're gonna love TypeScript. Okay.
What does that mean? Dynamic require is not supported.
Dynamic require.
Yeah, but like, what?
Why? Why?
Wait.
Okay. Alright, dynamic require file is not supported. Oh, it's important to require. I'm so stupid.
Oh my god.
That also removes the file problem. I'm like 99% sure.
Well, no, because that's still the same function. That technically should. Yeah, see, it does.
Whoa,
it does
that's so stupid. I never had
I
to
don't
do
even.
that before.
I don't even think we need. Actually, I don't even think we need file URL to path. Can you not just put in file path? Am I crazy for thinking that?
Let me just save this. We do.
No. Okay. Well,
We do need it.
so we need all of this. There you go.
I never had to put in file before in my life. Oh, it's no.
Oh, same stupid issue again.
What's the stupid issue?
With it trying to import the library.
What?
It still cannot import the library correctly because test also imports the library. I think the directory thing is messed up again. Why is it registering?
Why does test import the library?
Let's just put in index.js. That's probably gonna fix it for some reason.
It won't because it's nothing.
Literally fixes it.
No, it
Kind
doesn't.
of. It literally fixes it.
No, it doesn't. Oh, that's not even our fault.
What? No, see, the event isn't. It's loading correctly.
So it appears dynamic pathing is very problematic of libraries.
Really? No, but this should be fine up until this point. What even is the stack trace?
Oh my god.
What?
We're using file URL to path, right?
Yeah.
There isn't it's supposed to be file path to URL.
Are you kidding me?
File path to URL. Is that what do you mean? Oh, it's path to file URL. is this.
Oh, see, that explains why we never needed the... Right. But that should make a difference, I think. I don't think that makes a difference.
The href. Yeah, there we go. That now works. We can actually just try this. Maybe it works. Maybe if you just pray, that'll fix everything.
I really don't think that's the problem. No.
Where's the error here?
Because it's a problem in the actual register event listener.
Oh. Okay, I think I have the problem.
Huh?
Okay, where is the...
What are you looking for?
Okay, so the problem here is, basically, register func is an unbound method because inside node's event emitter internals, this becomes undefined, so it crashes reading this to events. Because we're loosely binding the this on client at once.
That's a bit stupid.
Literally,
I mean-
dot bind client.
What the heck?
There you go.
I have so many questions.
I think that might be it.
That looks like TypeScript to me. I don't know what to say. With JavaScript actually, but...
Or we could just do if client at once, we do client at once. No, we could just not. Your simplification caused this complexity.
Yeah,
Oh,
that works.
It's
Actually,
does it work?
Yeah, I think... Wait.
It works. No way! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Did you want to show the stream what we did?
I'm
yeah.
trying to. Oh no! It
Yeah,
works,
okay.
No way!
We forgot to check if the actual message is from a bot, so, you know, that's also a beautiful icon. But yes.
Oh my god! It works. Yes, I think that's a perfect place to end the stream. To be honest.
Actually, one thing I want to do, we can actually
Yeah.
simplify this. You know how you did the .bind client here? This is fine. But we can simplify this. And in the sense of that we do... We can literally... Where do we use this? It's a bit cursed now. We can do this. That's what I'm saying. There we go.
Pretty sure it doesn't work like that.
Why would that not work? That's
And I'm pretty sure
literally the
I'm
same.
pretty sure it's a compile type problem. It might not be. You might be right.
Nope, it works. It works.
Oh. No. Okay.
What? See, there you go. Now we can remove all of that debug logging.
A lot of debug logging. Let me just find an instance of console and just remove them one by one. You don't have to remove the extra spaces. You'll do it automatically.
But I don't like the extra spaces.
It will remove it automatically.
Okay, well, sure.
Is there anywhere else we'd log something? No. Oh my god, like our thing is actually working. It's so stupidly stupid.
Let's try it
but
without
works.
debug logging. Yeah.
It literally does nothing.
What do we have made so far? Show me what we have made so far.
Who asked that question? I'm looking.
Go into correct whatever.
Okay, so basically, what we've made so far is one function the public can use.
Show him the Discord side of things.
We're in the Discord side of things.
You know, where it responds to itself, just show him that.
Oh yeah, so we've done this. That's all.
Essentially, it responds to any message, but we forgot to check if the message it responds to is
Oh
from a bot,
no!
so it just
Oh no! Oh no!
responds to itself infinitely. But
That's what we've done.
yes, that is all we have done, literally. But better, dynamic.
Dynamic.
TypeScript.
In 2.5 hours, we made a reply to itself.
Oh my god, I love TypeScript. This is amazing.
So we should do more of this.
I think this is enough TypeScript for today, I will say.
It is enough TypeScript for today.
Well,
then, I guess we are very time efficient. Yes.
yes, indeed.
Look at this beautiful line of code right here.
You still didn't commit it. You still didn't get committed the entire
Okay.
time.
Feed. What do I say?
Well, actually, what do you even? Don't
Then-
add the license and don't add the
yeah.
run ebody yet because
I'll search Discord, it changes. No. How do I, how do I, okay. What's in here?
no, just no. Actually, you don't discard
No.
no. You just stage the changes that you want to.
Yes,
stage.
I recognize that. Okay, let's stage the actual important things first, which is not the examples things. So this,
Yes.
this, and that's it. Feature, implemented base structure for dynamic event handling. It's
That sounds exactly like a commit message I would write.
Thank you.
Nice. Well.
And then the rest except license. What did I just do? Oh, I just
Maybe
fixed
actually-
everything.
Oh no. Maybe add the script separately, the run ebot script, because I'm gonna
It's
make a separate commit for that.
feature. What should I call this? Create testing bot. Testing environment.
Indeed, yes.
And then this is a chore. Create simplification script. Create script to simplify testing, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Let's push this.
You didn't even take one look at my script, which
I did actually.
no, well.
I took 5 looks. Okay, guys, so I think that marks a perfect end. By guys, I mean Kiraki.
Yep.
I think that marks a
Indeed.
perfect end to this fantastic stream.
Yes.
I have no idea when we're going to be doing this again. Maybe in 7 weeks.
Right, yes. 6 or 7 weeks, I think, probably. So.
Shut up.
Okay. Anyways,
Wait! Oh my god, codingcat, look at the poll. Look at the poll.
what is the poll? Oh, it's not gonna. No! No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Do not look at the percentages. Do not look. Jesus.
It's, everywhere I go, I see his face.
Oh no.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
really.
Okay, guys, bye bye.
Well, anyways, bye bye.